Hi, my name is Lip Yao, and today I'm going to share with you how I learned how to play the hymn for the beauty of the earth on the ukulele. I'm a beginner learning the ukulele, so I'm kind of sharing my thoughts on learning the ukulele via hymns. I think hymns is a great genre for learning the ukulele because it has a very regular rhythm and kind of very simple relatively simple musical structure, and of course, usually the words are beautiful. So, for we're going to start with a fairly simple hymn called "For the Beauty of the Earth," and I've kind of transposed it to the key of C because C chords are kind of easier to learn on the ukulele, and you need to learn four chords for this: the C chord, the G chord, the F chord, and the A minor chord. I'm going to show you on the ukulele how I'll kind of hold these chords. Um, I do think that the fingerings are kind of flexible. You can use whatever works best for your fingers and your ukulele size. So feel free to make adjustments. So for the C chord, you're just going to press on this last string here, and I usually use my fourth finger. And then the G chord, I will shift one up and put the other two fingers over here like this. So, and for the F chord is I move my third finger one more up and hold the chord like that. And for A minor is really easy. You just release off this finger. Usually with my third finger, I'm just pressing on this top string. So these are the four chords you need to learn. The tricky part of playing a song is the transition between chords. So that's something you have to practice as we go through the song. Okay, so I'm going to play through the song really slowly. The first verse, just one round. So I'll post a link to this song sheet with the chords, and you can print this out and kind of play along and practice on your own as well, and also sing along. For the chords, you can also look up Google on ukulele chords, and you can probably find images like this that you can print out that you could use as a reference if you need to. Alright, so I'm just going to be strumming just one strum, and I'm just going to use my thumb for kind of a softer sound, and strumming further up the neck of the ukulele so that it gives a kind of a softer sound. Alright, and just going to play one strum per beat of the song, and typically that translates to be about 2 strums per chord. Okay, so let's go really slow. I'm just going to jump right through without any intro. Okay, so just go play through it once maybe, and maybe I'll hum along. Now, if that is too fast for you, too many strums for you, you can just do one strum for every 2 beats, and that would sound like this. For the beauty of the earth, for the glory of the skies, for the love which from our birth over and around us lies, Lord of all, to thee we raise this our hymn of grateful praise. Now, when you have mastered these coordination and these strumming, you could also do a strum where in the first beat is a down strum like this, and the second beat is just a down up. So it'll be like 1. So that's gonna sound like this. For the beauty of the earth, for the glory of the sky, for the love which from above, over and around us lies. Lord of all, to thee we raise this our hymn of grateful praise. For the wonder of each hour, for the day and of the night, hill and vale and tree and flower, sun and moon and stars of light. Lord of all, to thee we raise this our hymn of grateful praise. For the joy of human love, brother, sister, parent, child, friends on earth and friends above, for all gentle thoughts and love. Lord of all, to thee we raise this our hymn of grateful praise. For the church that evermore lifteth holy hands above, offering upon every shore the pure sacrifice of love. Lord of all, to thee we raise this our hymn of grateful praise. For thyself as gift divine to our race so freely give, for that great, great love of thine, peace on earth and joy in heaven. Lord of all, to thee we raise this our hymn of grateful praise. So I hope you enjoyed this hymn. Practice slowly. You can do again 1 strum every 2 beats for each chord, and do it slowly, sing along, get the beat, get the rhythm of the hymn, and once you're familiar, you can increase to 2 strums per chord, which is basically 1 strum every beat, and then you can then incorporate that up strum as well when you get familiar. So happy playing and happy singing, and just enjoy the hymn. See you next time.